Hi, I'm John Hopkin. If you don't know me already, I'm the head of maths at King's Bunter School, and I'm going to have a look at why studying maths at A level might be a good option for you in terms of how it's going to lead you on to university and into the world of work. Go through why I think that studying maths is a good option for A level students, and look at different aspects of this in terms of universities and careers and what's involved at post 16 study. The first thing I'd like to mention and bring to your attention is we're a very small country, the UK, in terms of the world, and Wales is a small part of that country. And it's strange that the UK is one of the few countries around the world that don't have compulsory maths education till the age of 18. And that means that if you are going into the world of work or universities and you are in competition then with people, especially if you go abroad, with people who have studied maths to that level anyway. So the first thing you should be thinking about is your employability and your competitiveness in that market. Okay, so what do we offer at King's Monkton School in terms of maths after GCSE? Whereas at the minute, we've been offering traditionally two options, the A-level mathematics and the A-level further mathematics. And we're also going to be hopefully offering the level 3 core maths qualification. And I will talk about each of these in turn now. So the A-level maths, the course that we do at A-level maths is the same content in all exam boards. That extends the ideas and the concepts that you've learnt in GCSE, push it on a little bit further and introduce some new ideas built on them. The A-level further maths then adds an extra breadth and depth to the A-level maths, and it's an additional A-level. You do need to be doing A-level maths before you take further maths. They need to be together. The level 3 core maths is a qualification that's there if you want to develop these essential mathematical skills and understanding and the transferable skills such as problem solving for your future career and your future degree choices, but that you don't want to follow a full A level in maths. It's equivalent to an AS in maths, but it goes over the 2 years, so it's a very nice little course that can be used as an additional one. It saves you having to do a full A level in maths, but it will give you that extra grounding in maths beyond GCSE. Okay, so core maths, it's a very versatile qualification. It's equal in size to an AS level, so it's still taught over 2 years, but the math skills are very valuable for as a basis for or support for other subjects, and it is the maths that you face in life and in the workplace. It's a good preparation for a lot of university courses, and it supports the learning maths in other courses. From what I can see, it's interesting, it's an engaging course, and it's relevant to the world that we live in now and that we're going to be living in the future. The main content of core maths, as you can see, are actual things applied to real life, the financial maths, taxes, mortgages, loans, the statistics and probability, critical analysis, modelling using spreadsheets, estimation. These are examples of the sort of questions we look at, the sort of problems we look at in core maths. And you can see that they're all related to something and applied to a real life situation, which is why some universities or a lot. Right then, what about A-level maths? Well, A-level maths is consists mainly of two-thirds pure maths, and the rest of the course is split equally between statistics and mechanics. It's all compulsory. Every exam board has the same content. Pure maths is the part of the subject that covers all the foundations of everything else. Things such as the number theory, calculus, vectors, trigonometry, geometry, algebra, proof. And these are the skills that you need for all the other units of maths at A level. Here's a type of an example of the type of question that you could be asked in pure maths. This is what Year 12 is currently studying, which is coordinate geometry. What's statistics? Well, statistics is using information and data that's been collected from the past or in the present to predict the likelihood of things happening in the future. Okay, and we've seen a lot of that in the current pandemic, where you've seen them talking about R rates, you're using graphs. There is occasions where politicians use graphs to mislead, and the knowledge and understanding you get from studying statistics helps you make an informed decision when people are presenting this data to you, but it also gives you the skills to present and analyse the data yourselves. Here's an example of a probability question you might get in an A-level exam. The third area of maths, mechanics, is all about modelling real life situations, things moving, motions of objects, the forces involved in them. It's particularly useful for those students that want to follow careers in physics or engineering, but also it's an interesting area in itself. And again, here's an example of a type of question you might get in a mechanics paper at A level. Okay, so further maths. Further maths is an additional A level qualification that's taken in addition to A level maths. Its whole purpose is designed to stretch and challenge mathematics students and prepare them for university courses in maths and related quantitative and scientific subjects. And same as in the A-level maths course, with the further maths is split up into pure maths and statistics and mechanics. These are examples of the sort of questions you might get in pure maths in further mechanics, and you can see that they're a lot more abstract. They've gone deeper into a subject. They're a lot more. The complexity of them is a bit more, and it's more in terms of pure looking at numbers and how numbers work, rather than solving the problems that we had in A level. At the start, I said that maths can help other subjects in A level, and these are the subjects that all have a little bit of maths in them. I'm not going to, you can read them yourselves, I don't need to read them. But these are the percentages of the subjects which are given to maths in the specifications. If economics is at 20% of the paper is maths, biology, business and psychology all have at 10% of their papers includes maths, PE at least 5%, geography and sociology there's no specific percentage, but there's a lot of analysing data, and there's also looking at forces in geography and forces of nature and things like that. So maths does support other A-level subjects and will help the successful completion of them subjects by yourselves. There's a big misconception around that maths is a subject for boys that are doing STEM subjects. Nothing could be further from the truth. Maths is actually the fourth most popular A-level for girls, and it's growing in popularity, as is the numbers of girls going into STEM subjects as a career or into university. It's nowhere near equal at the minute, but to be a girl going into these fields at this time is exciting, because you'll be at the forefront of creating that gender equilibrium in this type of subjects, in engineering, sciences, and in the STEM subjects. Here's a list of possible subjects which you could go, careers you could go into following a maths A level, and there's too many there for me to mention, and that's not a comprehensive list either, but you can have a look at that, pause it and have a look and see what you think. there's some very interesting career opportunities there for mathematics. And it's not just the traditional idea of that maths is used in certain careers, such as the STEM subjects. You're now looking at in the creative arts, where there's a lot of digital media and things like that. That maths is coming in even into the creative arts and also into social sciences, humanities. And that some scholars argue that maths should be a central component of all pupils' and students' education. I don't particularly like just linking doing A-level maths with financial gain, but some people like to see it. So I've got this graphic here which shows that, you know, you've got further maths, physics, computing, business studies, geography, biology, all on the top. Average salary 6 years on from students that have taken A levels. You know, that is interesting, and maths and further maths is up there. You know, maths qualified students are being sought after in all fields, all different fields. Okay, next few slides are just going through some examples of careers using maths. These are careers to do with technology. You've got medical technology, games design, internet security, financial cryptography, programming, communications, all things we talk about in the maths lessons currently. We've got engineering subjects such as aircraft modelling, fluid flows, software development, civil engineering. We've got careers in science, the new processes such as modelling population diseases, particularly relevant at the current situation time, quantum physics, astronomy, forensics, DNA sequencing. We've got more social sciences. You've got data science, psychology, law, economics, climate change, environmental modelling, politics, international development. All careers where maths will help, and maths can help you step up in that career. Of course, maths isn't a prerequisite of a lot of degree courses, but many degree courses expect their students to have strong maths skills ready to take them on. And it is essential or desirable for a wide range of courses, economics, computing, social sciences, business, you know, and definitely it's essential for those going into STEM subjects. And further maths also is quite often essential or desirable. And according to UCL, students who have an A level in maths are much more likely to attend a Russell Group university than those who haven't got an A level in maths or further maths. Just having a look at some of the degrees other than maths where maths is essential. Engineering, Swansea University expect that one of their grades will include maths. Manchester University for electrical engineering, they expect you to have maths and one of the others, physics, electronics, further maths, chemistry. So maths there is the key qualification they want. Northampton University to do mechanical engineering, they want maths plus one other science. So in all them, maths is the key to an engineering degree, to getting into an engineering. To get into some science degrees, Southampton University to do their chemistry degree, they obviously want chemistry, but plus one further science subject, and that can include maths or further maths. In Reading University to do meteorology, they expect at least a grade B in maths to do that. My own daughter went to Reading University to do biology, and her maths helped to get a reduced entry because she was doing maths. To do psychology in Liverpool, maths is included in their list of A levels you can choose, and if it's in there, or if it's science A level, you can have a reduced offer. Warwick University to do economics must have an A in A level maths. But don't take my word for it. have a look at the UCAS website and see what they say. In some cases, and we'll have a look at some now, qualification in core maths, A-level maths or further maths can actually reduce the grades. As I said, it happened to my daughter to get into Reading to do biology. She had her grades reduced to allow you onto a degree course. So let's have a look at some now. In Bath University, if you've got the courses on the bottom there, architecture, business, bioscience, etc., their typical offer at A-level is A-star, AA, triple A's, AAB. Their alternative offer, if you look, is one grade lower. Now that applies to all the degrees that don't require A-level maths as essential. But actually, if you've got a grade B in core maths or a grade B in AS or A-level maths, they will go to their alternative offer, which is a grade lower. For those degrees in Bath that actually maths is a requirement, if you've got further maths as well at grade B, you find that their offers are lowered by a grade, and they're the courses at the bottom that do that. The University of Sheffield say this: if you get a place offered on certain courses with a GCSE maths requirement and you're taking core maths, they will make you an alternative offer equivalent to one A-level grade below the standard entry requirements for your course, subject to you achieving a specific grade in core maths. So core maths can also reduce the entry requirements to the degrees you want. For example, to do psychology, if you've got an A in core maths, it reduces from 2 A's and a B to an A and 2 B's. For quantitative social sciences, it reduces from an A and 2 B's to 3 B's and a B in core maths. For architecture, same, drops from 3 A's to 2 A's and a B with at least a B in core maths. And biomedical sciences, going from 2 A's and a B to A and 2 B's if you get a B in core maths. So that core maths as an extra qualification can really help you get into some of these courses. Again, the University of Sheffield says that if you're taking a course that requires A-level maths, but you've got AS or A-level further maths as well, they'll make you an offer equivalent to one A-level grade below. Okay, these are things you need to think about. It's not just going for the requirement. Will doing an extra maths course or doing maths reduce the requirements it takes to get onto a degree that you want to do? The University of York this time, if you achieve a B or higher in core maths, you may be eligible for an alternative offer of up to one grade below their typical offer. This applies to a wide range of courses including biology, business, management, history of art, midwifery, music, philosophy and social work. Okay, so through this presentation, I've tried to highlight some of the career options that maths opens up for you, and also to show how it helps you get into your desired degree courses. However, you know, it's not just about, oh, I've got to take maths because it'll help. I've got to take maths because I need it. You've also got to be taking maths because you want it. You want to do maths. There's no point you taking maths if you're going to have a miserable time for 2 years because you don't like it. Okay, so the key thing is speak to your maths teacher, speak to myself, and actually discuss, is it a good thing for you? Are you a good fit? Do you want the added pressure of doing a further maths A-level? Do you just want to do maths A-level? Or maybe core maths will be enough to give you that little mathematical foundation that will help you in your choices further on. You know, so come and see us, see your teachers, see me. Parents, if you want to have a chat with me online or in person, if you could email me at that address there, I'll get back to you. But the main thing is choose the courses that are suitable for you, not what you're told to go for. Okay, it's all right for me to be going on for the last 20 minutes talking about how good maths is, But if it's not suitable for you, it's not suitable for you. Or if you don't want to do it, there's no point doing it, you know? Or at least think a little bit before you before you apply or get onto the course. Okay? Come and see me. Come and see your maths teachers. That's the main thing, for help and advice, whether that is the right thing for you. Okay, I've bored you enough now. 20 minutes is enough of me. I will wait. If you want to get in touch, there's my email. And good luck with your choices. And whatever you pick, you'll enjoy them and you'll succeed. So good luck and enjoy making them choices. Thank you very much. Goodbye.